Big up Crossy Stevie.
Right now, Cross is a good thing. Me not like Crossy Stevie turn Cross is in a good something. Yeah.
Look for Barbie, but she want to go in the hotel, sister. I look for your good looking brother, Barbie, but she want to go in the hotel.
What?
Barbie.
Red.
Lord.
I tell her to stop. I tell her to stop with the money showing. Once they show you money, you just a chop, be a drunk, you just a fly around you like dead dog.
Right?
Red.
See that now? Look who want fuck. I can't even show her that one day. I don't even can't even find one picture for show her that one day.
And she look like baby germs. My God.
Jesus Christ, Brandon, no say you bro.
Right?
The Affy Pie is new.
Right?
Yeah.
Somewhere in the house.
I can't laugh.
I'm not saying, after my minor sister, you know your brother, I know. And everywhere me go and everything me say, you know. I mean, you know what them get look like, them feel like I'm frightened. I'm shot or something or whatever. Then go like 7 feet. I said, no, baby, no. Come look them, no, not right now. I got things to do. I got business.
I mean, like that's what you just say. You say you love them.
What?
We just
You know what you're saying?
We just say,
You say you
come
you say you love them.
No,
so
listen.
you just tell them bye.
No, listen, good man. I say my favorite road when they come, I go say I got business to take care of. Catch you later.
Okay.
Them say have to go.
Go. Me now, me wrap me up, you know. Come in, no one lie down with no baby germs. Come free that germs.
Yep.
You're right.
That's
No.
why when Sapphire Jackson say, she
Jesus!
want go in that bubble bath. I say, fuck no. Come go to, did I get one give me germs or something?
What?
What?
But she want go in that bubble bath. Hot tub. What?
You have to,
Yeah.
brother, you have to be careful enough. Antibiotics not strong like one time again.
Me say, sister, the girl in my skin crawl, but she want go in that bubble bath.
She wants to be bubbled.
No, you with the money, man.
Exactly.
Me say, sister, the girl, she want go in that bubble. I'm saying, my whole skin crawl. Come to suffer not right now. Me a business go take care of Brooklyn.
No blame you.
Yeah, no, me go come to the store. Me don't want to know the girl part the car on the black, sister, part on the black.
Yeah.
The night. I come in, she get fucking up. You just get it, the baby give you Gigi, and that look a bit, and tell the right now, Sapphire, you're going to make a move, you know. Her face bend up.
Yeah.
Yeah, what up on you too? And as she cuss me, when she link up with Kim and start cuss me, still all our secret. My minor sister want to start cuss me like that with Kim and a rain. I said, come on, I said, I know why you mad at me. I said, Kim.
Oh, so wait.
Yeah, Kim, no, he's my friend. Wait, don't want me. My friend to broke up. Mr. Kim, she's not a friend. She's not a fucking friend.
Yes, that's why. Yeah, cause that's why I know when everybody turn down panel like all us, I just stand up and I watch them and drop down panel because we know these people from.
I said, Kim, we know this bitch from. She's not a friend. She's a bumbo clad. She goes coming to fuck me. She's a dog. She's a germ. She's a. Oh, Lord.
You first and I did a par, then she goes to park.
Because she said the fuck now rap. So she run go squeeze in bank him and start diss me and start watch me and talk mad shit about me. And I say, no, I'm not gonna diss her. I'm gonna leave her alone. But when see the girl go too hard, I say, girl, we are doing so no. Let's put a stop on this blood clot here.
Exactly.
You come try fuck you come try fuck me. I'm gonna start me, she know.
No.
Remember, she had this me, sister, me, I leave her now. She had this me, I leave her now. Remember, I said, yeah, cut me, I said, nothing was hold my own. I said, sure. You know what time for because I never mean go look for you come weird, nice to go look for me. So, now if you argue with you, but when she the girl go too far, we was plunging after that stop tweet, but she knows, no, stop right there, no. Because she knows, say, Sapphire, I mean, remember when you come to the city, come cry, you remember? Come talk out that now.
Bumbo.
You about the city. She don't want to talk. Once we talk about the city, she don't want to talk again. Why you don't want to talk again? What happened?
It's not. Why would I go?
You see it go? When them want to talk and go like, it's when them not see you talk, you're humble, they feel like must something over you. So when them start talk, they shut the fuck up.
Una follow this, una keep up, una
Belly hurt me.
won't she keep up?
I want them leave for toilet.
Sister, you know, say, sister, me and you know, say them girl was nobody, because you've been saved. Fan traffic of she go fuck not nice. You know, a junkie was nobody.
Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth!
About, man.
Dear Lord, cover me with the blood of Christ.
I'm almost 30 a nigga. More not nice jump to everything I don't. You know that?
No, you're ex-man that.
Like the brother say, I don't know that. What?
Sister, remember I used to warn about that motherfucker too, remember?
No, I mean the life is about.
So, I know I used to warn about that taste is no good. I know I used to warn you the first time.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay then, man. Come on, man.
That's to be.
You never did do it the right way.
Anyway, man. When you see somebody, you look at somebody.
Sister, we are going to boy. We are going to boy in front of everybody. Sister, we are going to boy.
Listen to your brother. You listen to your brother. Me a part for a long time. Me look past
my
sister. It's not.
Don't listen to me because you never look when you nearly catch baby germs and Mr. Body. You go fuck for food. You make you fuck off for China food.
Cabra.
No. Me and this girl never mix her mingle. I don't know what you're talking about.
Is she said?
You come like the girl at DG or over G or something.
Jesus.
What do you mean over dream?
Yo, man, what you talking about, man? I know I mix up with that, man.
Mr. Boy.
I know I mixed up with that, man. You know that. I know I mix with that, man. I mix with that shit. You know
yes, Christian. On the right, 3 China food at the comment section.
Oh, Cabra.
No,
you know I'm not mixed up with that shit.
Yo, me can't bother with Nana, you know.
Me?
And she acting like that she cool, telling people, man, that shit ain't cool, man. That's cool, man. And then the stupid shit now, this bitch invite Kim to pool, invite Kim to... I'm saying, what? This bitch...
Who invite Kim to pool?
Kim, you know.
Mr. Body, remember my time? When she invite you, Kim and the world, I know what they go cook bully beef and rice.
Oh, yeah.
And you gotta put 3 Chinese food.
3 Chinese food, and you put it up, 3 plate of chicken meat. Should I even make him bring a abachi? You pay me? The one of them cook the food in front of you.
No, nothing but those Chinese food, man.
I'll check her to see.
Now one that come on the bicycle, the Chinese man ride that one that drop it down.
Sometimes they walk.
Yeah, China. Sometimes they walk.
What a terrible.
No,
They never want nothing else, man.
but you can't laugh at them girls can't style me.
Me glad me don't walk with my pussy for my forehead, you know. Thank you, Jesus.
Never.
Me glad.
They say them can't talk about things for me.
Hey, me glad me boring and love staying in my house.
Eh?
When I get feed up in no corner.
Preach
Hold on, let me hear, brother. Say, wait a minute.
Open stuff are the worst one, are the 2 worst one.
So we are up after interview, brother. We are up.
Alright, me I hope now. One day, me I hope now. You ever go out? Me I hope it's cool. Anybody this, they don't hope, not this them. Anybody can know what things there. How money talks. Anybody this, man, hope this them. So when Kim get locked up, when stuff I lock up Kim, go call me and I talk some shit.
So Kim get all locked up too?
Yeah, girl.
One of them stuff I lock up Kim, right? Go call me and started with be a shit. Brandon, what you believe in that Kim? Oh, you have Kim back and Kim never have your back.
That's who you talk, remember that.
Sister, I'm just a bumble clot. Then after now, she say, Brandon, me I go flip my store, me I go borrow 10 grand from you. I say, wait. We yank him apart, and you talk all this. So I say, you know what? I cut out that money when Kim, Mr. Kim, listen to me. Cut off hope, enough, she not good enough.
Hold on, brother. That is who them attack, but see what this squash people them here from 6. Say, on the talk about the hippo will take the picture with 6.
Yes, I see him man suffer like dirty chronic hungry one, but fucking her butt like that. When she wash
Boom.
the girl fucking her butt, she go in a pot palm tree, hold her butt, shit up pot palm tree.
Jesus.
Hey girl, your body loose. Hey girl, when you come in on place and you leave, the place think that shit. After that.
Boom. Jesus, Baba Shanti,
Hey
woman.
girl,
No,
somebody girl, freaky girl, old girl, you have somebody who freaky nasty girl.
yeah, I have to go down. Brandon, I have to go down.
No, sir, I can't bother.
Sister, no, but sometimes we know some not fuck with them, I want to come and fuck with people. And
Right,
sometimes think about what
correct.
them man. What them do, man? I mean, I say no, me bet them girl do, them girl walk and lick out body and fucking them body and do all them nasty.
Jesus.
What you say, brother? You have enough fight. Them are doing too much fuckery.
What man say? Put toothpaste on him cocky and beat her up. She lick out him body, fuck open her body.
What? You know what?
This me.
What you say? Toothpaste funny cocky?
Cocky man.
Yeah, listen to me now. Munchie don't want the live, China. Take the live.
No.
Fuck Lord, germs the girl come. Who them could germs get stop with? Look at germs get stop with me and talk to me. Look at germs, them get walk with germs.
No, remember saying not me young out there in early enough, so me hear them something me I try to understand.
Remember saying every time something come out, you smell like egg. You know that? Stink like egg. You know that? Stop playing, man. You know that, Nana. She be stinking like egg.
Jesus Christ.
Why not tell you no?
And try to hold me, she stink like egg.
Which one egg you talk about? You talk about the Chinese egg where them put on for cure or regular egg?
Well, I mean, we stink like egg. And then I know that, bro. Real talk. I'm not lying.
Jesus Christ. Well, I'm going to get old. I can't. I have amnesia. I can't really remember.
Sister, I know why I look like this thing when I'm talking is a false, bro. You feel me? I know I'm lying. You know I never come and like I don't fuck with people. I just get my money. You know?
Brother, really actually, I choose something you talk.
Brother, I'm the wish age of a fire. She smell like a boy. Listen, I don't want anybody to trace me, you know. I am just doing an interview.
You know I'm not lying.
Yeah, I'm new here. I'm just a try understand. So.
You know this bitch.
No.
Brother, all time, brother, so they must smell like.
Yo, fuck sir, brother, yo. And brother, me have to go call when me want to cuss me, man, Nana, cause don't
No.
You know, sister,
terrible.
you know, all them try to step on me and talk this, they can never disrespect me because bitch, I only come beg me. I'm never come beg you, I'm not come on here.
But I don't understand how them friend with your woman
You let them in
a
circle. That's what that only thing you do wrong. You let them in a circle.
I never let these bitches in my circle neither, man. This bitch goes running to my fucking shit. These fucking hungry bitches, man. You know that?
I know, look.
And then, it's not like so when I give them my stuff, sister, I'm begging them no pussy. You know that I never beg them nothing. I just give them nothing and go. They could never say, oh, Brandon beg me some pussy and Brandon. Bitch, I could never say that. Because I don't care about fucking ugly bitches.
So them friend with your girlfriend?
Them all right. When they can't get to me, they're friends.
They're dangerous, man.
It's easy for friend.
She
believe in everybody.
Listen me, when they can't get to fuck me, they go each on her.
Wait. Kim a Capricorn, don't?
Yep.
Me a Capricorn is not it's just we school people. But me different still. Me kind of acted, me different, cause me no fuck with people like that.
So that's why I see me go to my own one. I know, say these bitches some bird, weird.
If it stop me.
It's just we school people. But me different still. Me kind of acted, me different, cause me no fuck with people like that.
So that's why I see me go to my own one. I know, say these bitches some bird, weird.
If it stop me. When time
me no beg me demand.
No, that's why brother needs to lock him shop.
Exactly.
Stop me. You have to go to learn from this. You have to learn from this. People come under disguise all the time. I have to learn from this.
And then come around the brother to say, alright then, you know what, we can make some money, them come around to take your money.
over talk, say, oh, my drug dealer and this and that. Bitch, you see man call my phone, talk about, brother, nothing now go
What
on.
are your blood clot drug dealer?
What man, what on a China? Me for real.
But remember, so she called me, tell me about fear man business now going on. She come fuck with me, right? And I told her, oh, man, I'm good. The bitch called Kim, asked him, could Brandon do something for me? Kim tell her, no, leave Brandon alone in the shit. Then she go behind Kim back and call my phone. This bitch is fraud, man. So, I know time. General, come in, man. Come there. Come in.
But what do you share show? What do you share show? What is no? Where that
Well, somebody must have that thing. Then people, then y'all dangerous.
Me tell no people a proper mix up over here, so proper. When I come with no Easter, she said we got the sources over here. The only reason why I never had hope over here because hope talk about my son is not coming back.
You're mad, anybody will talk about me. You're mad. Do
Yeah.
not ever cross the line with the pitney them.
That's
You're
the
mad,
only
man.
reason why hope can't come up here, so because hope talk about my baby and it's no lot and fall. Yeah, fella.
Yeah, once you cross a line with my pitney them are certain mother, pitney family, leave it alone. Naturally you leave it.
Let me tell you something, bro. Me will always eat blood clot, Mr. Bud. And me always eat Dora. Because so Dora talk about me. Before Dora breathe, Dora, every time me argue, she bring up the baby. And I see them know Dora breathe and her baby father. But I just life, a karma. So,
exactly. You don't never bring up the kids them, man.
No, me not cuss with kids. Me not talk about kids.
Yeah, you're mad. Them
No,
there are some
people can't
definitely.
people talk about my kids. Them we can't go low so.
Exactly.
Pray to God.
Me have two, so me can't. There you go. Me not. Me leave people kids alone. Leave mines and I leave yours.
You know, so I want to cuss my people. Them not cuss them back. Next year.
I say I'm glad I'm stay here. I'm stay to my blood clot self.
I put them back to them kids. When them go on, the God bless you family.
Sure.
For Monday.
I don't like Cabra.
Yeah, me see you. And them do bad. And me see Karma lick people. Karma don't.
Me not have my pitney them no rude. That's enough kids. Them they are baby kids.
Working with a lot, put everything together and
Okay, Chrissy.
okay, no problem. Yeah, go get it, man. Good.
I don't know no baby pitney right now.
You fix that shit quick though.
I take care of a lot of customers, bro.
That shit was fast. Look, I don't like it. That shit was quick.